let me do this. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh.
Came in a black Benz, left in the white one. I'm just a hoodlum, I came in my bones, some niggas wanna try something. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one. I'm just a hoodlum, I came with the bones, some niggas wanna try.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Her Excellency. Welcome back to the Royal Court. If you haven't seen the video of how I achieved this look by following Taylor Made Jane's tutorial, go ahead and I'm gonna link it below or somewhere. So today I want to review this hair company called I Am Collection. So I had a wig made. Actually, I saw them making a wig and I said I want that, so I purchased it and it got delivered to me. This is the bag that it came in. The wigs are pre-made. Their quality is 10 out of 10. This is not the first wig that I've gotten from them. If you see, actually, yeah, this is not the first wig I've gotten from them, but I don't know if you guys have seen any other wig that I've gotten from them. So I'm just gonna bring it out of the bag. I have, so this is the bag it comes in. I Am Collection. They're a Christian-owned brand. Because they're Christian-owned brand, I'm just gonna assume that they're cruelty-free. So I'm just going to bring it out the bag. This is the hair. Fluff it up a bit. It came curled. I did wear it already. I have worn it already, so this is not like a first time impression. I know the hair is amazing, like so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my hair. Mind you, this is a pre-made wig, so it wasn't like it was fitted for my head or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and this is transparent lace is what they call this. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. So let me go get my brush and my I'm gonna style this for us on camera. Love me some baby hairs. That's my favorite part about wigs in general. Baby hairs, nothing else but the baby hairs. Except I'm just going to comb this back. I'm not gonna do any wanding or curling because I've worn this, like these are the curls that it came with and they're still here. So I don't feel like I need to curl it much. I'm just combing it out. Oh my God, this hair, it's so soft, guys. Like, I wish you can feel how soft it is. Oh. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm just gonna, oh, look at how beautiful that is. Look, just look. Woo. It's a transparent lace, okay? So we're gonna style it together. Yeah, let's get into it.
Liar! Liars!
Literally looks like my scalp. Legit looks like my scalp, you know? And I love it because, like, honestly, I didn't have to do much with it. I literally just put it on my head and did my baby hairs and that was it. I'm putting y'all on. Don't say I don't put y'all on, okay? Like, the color is really beautiful. It just looks like it's coming from my hair. Like, let me move closer. Can you guys see this? Can you see this? Come on, like, I'm putting y'all on. I'm really putting y'all on. What have you guys done for me? What have you done for me today? I'm showing you guys where to get the best hair. I'm telling you guys that I've already uploaded this look. What have you done for me today? Okay, so hit up I Am Collection. The color, 10 out of 10. Girl, go get your hair so you can look like this. You don't even need the earring to look, like, come on. The curls have been on for like a month now, I want to say. Over a month, actually, like 2 months. The curls have been on. Super gorgeous. I'm gonna be linking them below so you guys can place your orders. If you don't have Instagram, I'll try to get a number. Just let me know if you need more information. But yeah, no concealer, no foundation, nothing. This is just this is it. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch the Royal Court. Bye-bye.